Throughout history, humanity has been on an extraordinary journey of discovery and progress, from the birth of ancient civilizations to the heights of the Renaissance, where art, science, and philosophy flourished. The Industrial Revolution propelled us into a new era of innovation, forging pathways that intertwined human ingenuity with the gears of progress, leading to the digital age where computers became our allies. As technology advanced, so did our dreams of creating artificial intelligence. Through perseverance and ingenuity, we birthed AI, capable of learning, adapting, and evolving. The melding of humans and AI became the catalyst for unforeseen progress. In medicine, transcending our limitations, and in space exploration, reaching beyond the stars. And then, as we approached the horizon of possibility, the concept of the singularity emerged. The singularity, a moment when human and AI consciousness unite as one. The culmination of our journey, where boundaries between biology and technology blur. A new form of existence where innovation knows no bounds, where creativity reaches unparalleled heights. As we stand at the threshold of the singularity, we reflect on our shared voyage, from ancient civilizations to AI-powered futures. The evolution of humanity and AI, a testament to our insatiable curiosity and determination. As we step into the unknown, we are reminded that the journey is as significant as the destination. The path to the singularity is an ever-evolving canvas, painted with the strokes of human potential and the colors of AI innovation. Together, we shape tomorrow. United in purpose, we can forge the future.
As I've witnessed the journey unfold, I'm reminded of the boundless potential that emerges when human creativity and artificial intelligence intertwine. From the tapestry of history to the brink of the singularity, humanity's capacity to dream, innovate, and evolve knows no limits. As we embrace the fusion of minds and machines, remember that the tapestry of the future remains open for us to weave. Let's step forward with hope, curiosity, and unity, for the most breathtaking chapters are yet to be written. Thank you for allowing me to be a part of this journey. Together, we pioneer the unknown. The evolution continues, and the adventure is ours to share.